Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing about a new project idea for final year computer science students. So this project idea will be useful for MCAs, BCA, B.Tech, all the computer science branch. And again, the project idea can be implemented in any of the programming language, whether it is ASP.NET, Python, PHP. So it's not dependent upon any language. Whatever language you know or whatever language you want to learn, you can implement this project. So friends, let's start the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you get important updates whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a new project, and this will be a full-fledged project management software in which a team lead can assign work to the developers. A team lead can track the status of the project. He can create this project. He can define all the deliverables. He can create sprint. Now the question comes that already in the market we have different types of project management tools, and this will be the first question that your guide will ask. So how your tool or how your this project management software is different from others? The first thing is like those are all paid one. This will be yours project management software in which you will have a user management thing. You will have, you can add the video conferencing in which like anytime if the project manager wants to have a quick meeting, he can do within that tool. Then there will be, if you are going to implement this in agile framework, so there will be some sprint, there will be task assignment, there will be task progress. You can check the status of the task, and even like you can integrate the task that is given to you with the equivalent code that you have done. So you can create this team meeting, or you can say, you can give any name. I have just given this team meeting application. So it's not simply meeting, because again the project that you are going to do, it's the total time is approximately 3 to 4 months. So it should have lots of modules so that you can showcase that this particular project deserves to be in a category of 4 to 5 months. Otherwise, like if you have only simple like video conferencing application in which you can only talk to your team, then it will be a very small project and it will not come under a 6 month project. So you can add all those things, and again if you know ASP.NET or if you know PHP or Python, it's not that much difficult. So you will have to design this application, but again in terms of modules, there will be a user registration module, there will be a login module, there will be task assignment module, there will be project creation, task assignment, then you will have different sprints, then you will be progress. So all those things you can create. So this will be again a good project idea, and again if you are going to build it from scratch, you will get a lot of experience in this, because any software that you are going to create, you can find at least 6 to 7 modules that is being used in every project. Where so you can think of any project, there will be login module, there will be forgot password module, there will be registration module, there will be user section, there will be task assignment, there will be user authorization, what all things they can use. So friends, this is all about today's project idea. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.